unveil the untold mysteries of the Amazon rainforest, a realm where danger lurks, secrets hide, and the unknown beckons adventurers into its heart. The Amazon rainforest is often referred to as the lungs of the earth, due to its vital role in producing oxygen and regulating the global climate. However, it also holds many deep mysteries and dangers that have captivated explorers, scientists, and adventurers alike. Here are some of the most intriguing aspects of the Amazon's mysteries and why it is considered dangerous. 1. Undiscovered species and biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is home to an incredibly diverse array of species, many of which have not yet been discovered. It is estimated that over 10% of the world's species live in this forest, including plants, insects, animals, and microorganisms that remain a mystery to science. Some of these creatures could be venomous or dangerous, like the poison dart frogs, giant river otters, and electric eels, which make navigating the jungle hazardous. 2. Uncharted territories and isolated tribes. The vast expanse of the Amazon is still largely unexplored. There are many parts of the rainforest that remain untouched by modern civilization, and some of these areas are known to be inhabited by indigenous tribes that have little to no contact with the outside world. These tribes, such as the Korubo or the Yanomami, are fiercely protective of their lands and have been known to be hostile towards outsiders, leading to dangerous encounters for those who venture too close. 3. The toxicity of plants and insects. Many of the plants and insects in the Amazon are highly toxic. The plant species like the curare vine have been used for centuries by indigenous people to poison the tips of their arrows. Insects like the bullet ant, whose sting is said to be one of the most painful in the world, can inflict serious harm. The botfly, which lays its larvae under the skin of animals, including humans, is another terrifying example of the hidden dangers of the forest. 4. Diseases and pathogens. The Amazon is home to a variety of dangerous diseases, some of which are not found anywhere else on Earth. Malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever are common in the rainforest, and some rare diseases, such as the deadly Chagas disease and leishmaniasis, spread by sandflies, can be contracted by those who venture too deep into the forest. Many of these diseases have no cure or pose significant risks if not treated immediately. 5. The perils of the river systems. The rivers of the Amazon, such as the Amazon River and its tributaries, hold their own dangers. The rivers are home to creatures like piranhas, anacondas, and crocodiles that pose physical threats to anyone who might fall into the water. Even the Amazon River itself can be treacherous, with dangerous currents and hidden whirlpools that have claimed the lives of many explorers and fishermen. 6. Weather and natural hazards. The Amazon experiences extreme weather conditions, from torrential rainfalls to intense heat and humidity. The dense vegetation can cause disorientation, making it easy for explorers to lose their way. The ever-present threat of flash floods, especially during the rainy season, can also be life-threatening, as rivers quickly swell and submerge large areas of the forest. 7. The legend of El Dorado and hidden treasures. For centuries, the Amazon has been the subject of myths and legends, including stories about hidden treasures and lost cities like El Dorado. The search for these treasures has led many to face grave dangers, as explorers often wander too far into the forest, becoming lost or falling victim to the wilds. The desire to find riches can sometimes cloud the judgment of those who venture into these depths, often leading them into perilous situations. 8. Environmental dangers and human impact. While not a direct danger of the forest itself, human activities such as illegal logging, mining, and deforestation have created new threats to both the environment and the people who live in the Amazon. These activities can disrupt ecosystems, cause unpredictable changes in the climate, and lead to conflicts with indigenous tribes who depend on the forest for their survival. In addition, the presence of drug cartels and illegal trade in wildlife adds further risk for explorers and locals. The Amazon rainforest remains one of the most mysterious and dangerous places on Earth, not only because of its dense, impenetrable landscape but also because of the hidden threats it holds. While its beauty and biodiversity make it a fascinating place, the perils of this environment require great respect and caution from those who venture into it. Brace yourself for the perilous allure of the Amazon, where every step could lead to discovery or danger, in the deepest corners of the world's wildest jungle. Let me know